Hi everybody and welcome to this tutorial. I will explain all components of Ultimate Machine Expert Advisor, how to use for your trading and how to test and optimize. First step is to download this expert to your trading platform. There is two possible ways to do that. First step is go to MQL5 website market section. In the search tab, type the name of the expert, click on the icon, click on the free demo, click on the yes I have MT5, and you will be automatically redirected to this page. You will see some button here, download demo. I already use this I already download this EA because I want to check is everything okay, is everything working well. After you download demo, go to navigator, find expert advisor, click refresh, and you will find here, you will see here this little icon here. That's mean your expert is ready for testing. So I already tested this expert on Euro USD on H1. For now is everything is okay. We will see what's going on in the future. Now let's start testing this EA. I must say this is all settings I must say this EA is very easy to use. It's very fast for optimization. So I mainly for modeling use open price only to get most possible settings for this EA. After that, after I finish this optimization process in this modeling option, I will choose the best one, and after that, if I satisfy what I see on the chart, and if I satisfy with the results that I get from these settings, I will retest these settings on all available modeling type. Purely to confirm is everything working on the similar way. It can be the same way because it's different modeling type, but this expert is working on the and all code working on the bar open. So it's very important to know that. So when the new bar is generated, then start something inside this expert, some process inside this expert. So if you set everything like here, click on the input tab, click on default value, and now I will start to explain all input inside this expert, or maybe is better to open here. So what we see here, we have money management section. There is two options using this section. You can choosing automatic lot size calculation, so you can activate or deactivate like so. If you activate this option, choose how much percent you want the risk for your initial deposit. So right now is 5%. What will be your maximum lot size for each position? It can be 1, because this is demo account with 10,000 USD. I choose maximum 1 lot size per each position, open position. After that you will see decimal range. So it's a big story, but easy explanation for this input are: if you choose 1, expert will start open position with micro lot. If you choose 2, expert will start open position with mini lot. Everything depends how much your deposit is. For example, if you have 1000 USD and choose 1, expert will start open position with micro lot. But if you have 10,000 USD, expert will start open position with mini lots, just like so. Oh, it's close this position. Okay, it's $78 plus. So you will see 0.4 lot. And for example, if I put inside expert 2, decimal range 2, then next order will be, maybe it will be more risky. It's simple to say it will be more risky for trading. So if we don't want to use this auto lot size, deactivate this option like so. Then we need to put some fixed lot size manually, and expert will work with this volume all time. Next section is exit rules. Exit rules are calculated based on ATR indicator. You will see here. In the brackets you will see 14. That's mean this is default value for this ATR. So every of these input is calculated by ATR, and its mean coefficient, not the pips, not the point, not money, but is coefficient calculated by ATR. After that, next section is trailing stop rules. Also, you will is calculated based on ATR, the same as here, but is I don't know how to say it. It's separate ATR for each of this section. It can be 1, but I think it's the better to have 2 ATR for each of these section. This option is can be used or not used. So if you don't want to use this option, if you don't want to trail this position, open position, to trail your stop, simple type 0, and this option will be deactivated. Next, we have some additional inputs here. This option also is not used because it's 0. 0 means option is not active, and represent how much trade we want to be open for one day. So I set to 0 because in generally this expert not open too much trade for 1 year below 300 maybe. So this is less than 1 trade per 1 day. But if we want to reduce number of trade per 1 day, we'll put some number here. For example, I want only 1 trade per 1 day, and I will put 1, insert 1. Now we see signal, group of signals. So we have only one signal inside this EA, and this is entry signal. This EA don't have exit signal. That's the concept behind this EA. And for that job, we see three indicators. So first indicator is WPR, second indicator is super trend, and third indicator is ADX. So inside these brackets you will see default value for each of these indicators. These indicators is custom indicators, is not regular indicators, know that. So I put this number here purely to know what is default value, and I'm not my intention is not to have to give you some range when you start testing when you start optimizing these inputs. So purely to know what is the default value you can use for your start, step and stop option what you want. Next and last section is related to the signal. It's a time section, so intraday time section. So if you want to reduce more your this expert, you can activate or deactivate this option like so. So when you activate this option, you say to your expert, okay guy, try to find signal for open position between this time range. That's mean this option. So it's this option gives very interesting results. Right now I'm not using this option because that's the optimize option already. So now just reset everything. We have one position is in plus, close it in profit. Now let's start the test of this EA. So this is the main inputs, settings, in settings tab, inputs in settings tab, go to your inputs, click default, click start. Okay, nice result. Just check what's going on for 6 months later. Okay, everything is okay. So this is too short period, but I think market is always change, and we have many surprise this year. So now is not the same as before 10 years. This is not the same market condition. So okay, now I will show you how this expert work on open, high, low, close modeling option. We have almost the same results. Now we will check what's going on every tick based on real tick. Delay, random delay can be any. We must waiting a little because is synchronized the data. We have almost the same results. We have profit 800 USD. Now we will check every tick based on real tick. So that will be for testing. Now I will show you how to optimize this EA according to your uh, trading condition, because different broker different rules. So most fast way is to use modeling open price only. Go to here, go to here. So that we will use, I don't know, choose what you want to optimize. Choose your start, step and stop. So okay, it will be 1, it will be 1, that will be, I don't know, that will be 7, that will be 0 0.5, 0 0.5, max stop will be, I don't know, 8, 8. Now I will choose 300 here, so that will be 0 0 1, it will be 0 0.5, 0 0.5, 10, 300. So what we want to see here can be 50, that can be 50, maybe we'll use 10 0, 10 0. I will use these steps here. Now we check indicator, what's going on here. 1, start will be 1, 1, can be 1, you can use what you want. Step will be for these 5, 5, 5, and it will be 50. Stop will be 50, and ADX will be 300, and will be free, will be stop will be 25, I don't know. So let's get started. Check what's going on here. We have 5 minutes to finish this job. So you will see it's very fast optimization for 1 year, I think, 2 years. Okay, 5 minutes, you need 5 minutes only to get best possible results. What I check, what I choose here, balance max. No, I want, okay, I will leave this balance maximum. So I will refresh the page to check what's going on. Now that's I want to see. Drawdown is little higher because I'm using 5% of risking of my account balance. If you choose 1%, it will be lower drawdown. So below 5 everything is acceptable, maybe 6, 7, I don't know, but everything depends what the strategy is. I forgot to say, this is there is more logic than you see in this EA, not visible logic. I will open after that. After I finish this test, I will retest again and open visible option to see what's going on. Okay, we have 3 minutes left. Okay, we finished the test. Now let's choose these settings. What we have here. So go to this tab. We start with 10,000. We profit with these settings 14,000 in profits, gross profit 37,000, and gross loss more than 10,000. Now it's very important to check this profit factor and recovery factor. It's a good number. Now I will activate visual mode to see what's going on. Is everything okay? In the journal section, everything is okay. There is no any red warning here. Okay, if you satisfy what you see here, or if you need any of my help, or if you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section. I will try to answer to everyone who want to know more regarding this year, or I will try to help regarding anything of this year. So don't forget, if you satisfy, you can buy this EA directly from MQL5 website. Here it's only 65 USD. So all my EA is pretty low price, because I don't know, I think everything must be some reasonable, everything must be have some reasonable price. For every EA is all the same price. All of these EA is good EAs. I'm not using all EAs, it's madness, so you can choose one of these EA and download to your platform, test, and if you satisfy, and if you want to check what's going on, try on demo account before, and if you satisfy and buy some license, use this EA on some demo account, and if you satisfy what you see, then you can be using for your live trading. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will back you soon with a new video. Thank you, bye bye.